What are you making? Hmm? Are you cooking? Amelia's cooking. Ooh, cutting the cakes. Uh-oh. Where's for daddy? Get one for daddy, some for daddy. I'm hungry. I wanna eat. I'm hungry. Can I have one, please? Uh-oh, is it mine in the floor? No. Oh no, it's dirty. Uh-oh, is it for daddy? Oh, alright, let's do it in the floor. We're gonna cut the cake. Is it cake or beaky? A beaky. Yummy eat. Spoon, eh? This is for daddy. I'm gonna eat them. How am I gonna get this one on the spoon? No, don't eat for real. It's not for eating. It's just pretend. It's just pretend. Open. What do you got in there? Open. What's in there? Let's have a look. Let's have a look. What's in there? What's inside that one? Ooh, what is it? Oh. Have a look. Have a look. What's in there? What's gonna come out? Watch, guys. Ooh. What's this one? Oh, what's that one? That's not Anna. This is for cooking. You want this one? Okay. Be careful. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. All right. Cooking again. You're gonna cook again here. How long the cooking gonna be? 5 minutes? 2 minutes? What's inside? What do you got in there? Ooh. Another biggie. We got more? A tomato. Okay. What has you got? What's that one? Another biggie? Is it another biggie? Yeah, pick up the door. What are you trying to do? There you go. Close the door. Is the biggie ready yet? Daddy's hungry. I'm hungry. I want some. I want some. Can I have some? I'm hungry. She's gonna bring it to daddy. She's gonna bring it to daddy. Oh no, it's in the floor. Oh no. What happened? You wanna open? There you go. Hang on. We want to take them off turn. Okay. It's finished cooking. All right. Take it off. All right. What happening in here? Everyone haven't had sour yet. Oh. Hello.
No. What are you gonna do with deodorant? Do I need deodorant? Do I? Am I
You think
smelling?
mommy need deodorant, Amelia?
Okay. Put your
It
mouth.
must be smelling.
Mommy, do this shit. Mommy.
Yeah, what mommy got in there?
Don't really put it there.
Yeah.
No.
You want daddy to get it here? Okay.
2 days.
Ooh, yeah, that's for you.
2 days.
What?
Is
Not this one. Mommy said not this one. Okay, you want this one?
But put it on her arm.
Here, Isabel, you do it. You do it for Amelia. You help her. Come on, Isabel. You're gonna have some. Put it in your arm. Put it in your arm.
Amelia, come on. Give us your arm.
Oh, you're gonna get some? Oh, she's addicted to cream.
Amelia, no.
Come on.
Yeah.
Give me your arm. Give me.
Yeah. Hold it.
Doesn't need to be cry,
Hold on.
Amelia.
No.
There you go. Put it on there.
Oh, you got some.
Oh.
So, Daddy.
Yeah.
So,
Hold
Daddy.
it, hold it, hold it.
So, Daddy. So, Daddy. Oh, yeah, you got on your cat. Oh, poor.
Burn from the microwave. Or the oven. I think Mommy and Isabel. Okay. Where was Daddy? Where was Mommy when... so Mommy the one who's taking the responsibility for it.
What are you doing, Amelia?
Mommy,
Yeah.
What do
It's
you
like
got?
a mirror, isn't it?
Mommy, up.
How am I supposed to get up when you're sitting on there like that? Huh?
Mommy,
It's
up.
hard enough to get up as it is, let alone with 20 kilos around my neck.
Ah! I'm not 20 kilos.
Yeah, you're about 20 kilos.
No, I'm 2,100 kilos.
2000.
Yeah, 2,100 kilos.
That's pretty heavy. You want to moisturize my toes? That's special for Sky. Kalau kau suka hati tepuk kaki.
Kalau kau suka hati tepuk kaki.
Kalau kau suka hati, mari bertepuk kaki. Kalau kau suka hati, tepuk kaki. You're choking me. Nothing like a loving pampering session by my children. Massage on the neck. Cream here, so lovely and relaxing.
Mommy, what happens if I go like this?
What do you mean, what happens?
Yeah.
What do you mean, what happens?
Oh! Amelia, Amelia, put some on mommy's leg. Amelia, here.
Put some in here. No, this one. It goes on a scarf. Put it here. On your face? Huh? Not on your face.
Can I really put the whole thing on?
No, it's meant to be for scars. So it's good for her arm.
Goodbye.
Goodbye,
Everybody.
Bye.
Boy.
Bye.
Boy.
Bye.